Nyron Wade, third in the 100 last night. There he is. He is back trying to get onto this 200 team. No doubt would have been extremely disappointed. It was a big opportunity for him. And there's the full lineup. Johnson, Monteith, Brown, Stewart, Poirier, Foreman, Wade. Few of them not there. We've already confirmed Stewart and Foreman. There's Ajay Brown of Falcons Athletics. He'll start in lane number 4. So a big opportunity for the athletes in this first semi-final race. Because if you had Justin Stewart and Tyrese Foreman, it would have been quite the first round.
And again, only the winner guaranteed a spot in the final.
Only the winner. So Nyron Wade on the outside in lane number 8, third in the 100 last night, when many thought he had a real shot of winning it. No Tyrese Foreman. Carifta Game silver medalist last year over 200. Timothy Poirier, Kingston College, starts in lane number 6. No Justin Stewart in 5, with Ajay Brown of Falcons Athletics in 4. Jelani Monteith of Clarendon College in lane number 3, and Nicardo Johnson of Falcons Athletics in lane number 2.
And to note in the 200 meters, the fastest Jamaican junior this year, Gary Card, 28.59.
Yeah, into a
on your marks,
3.1 wind. So the question then becomes, if Gary Card wants to double at the World Under-20 Championships, does he get both events? Or because he only did the 100 here at the Nationals, he can only contest the 100 meters?
Well, we'll see.
No assumptions, right?
No assumptions.
They are on their marks. First semi-final race in the Under-20 boys 200 meters. Big opportunity for these 5 athletes. Wade, probably the favorite in lane number 8. And they are sent on their way. Nyron Wade goes to work. Ajay Brown of Falcons in lane number 4, not running a bad curve. Neither is Monteith of Clarendon College. Wade on the outside, challenged by Monteith. Wade looks across to his left, knows he's in control, shuts it down and goes across the line to win it. 21.94 the flash time. Nyron Wade books the automatic spot to the final.
Yeah, haven't seen him much at 200 meters this year, but he is good quality. Nice start on the outside from him. Nice drive phase over 50 meters. Ajay Brown running a stout turn. And on the inside, Monteith of Clarendon College looking steady. But now, at this point, Wade glances to his left from lane 8. And looks at the line, looks at the clock, looks at his competitor. And looks his way into the final.
21.25 is personal best at 200 meters. That came in 2024.
At the all-comers meet.
Books a spot in the final here. Negative 3.1 meters per second the wind speed. 21.92 for Nyron Wade. 22.12 for Jelani Monteith. 22.32 for Timothy Poirier, the second KC athlete in the field. Only the winner guaranteed a place in the final. Nyron Wade is there. Now the second